It is Tuesday, and a very wet Tuesday, May 14th. We've needed the rain, but man, oh man, it is still coming down in waves. Whew! Little floods outside of the store almost. All right, Chrissy got this set up yesterday. All you brioche knitters out there, she is going to have a brioche knit-along, doing a Stephen West. The Fiber Fest knit-along with Stephen West is for this fabulous shawl called the Fiber Fest shawl. This is it. Lots and lots of brioche. She is going to, it starts on May 24th, Friday afternoon from 3 to 5. That's when she's going to be gathering together. So all you brioche knitters, get in your stash or come to the store and get 3 amazing skeins of fingering weight yarn. And his suggestions are, there you can do subtle color combos, which will create a smooth, shadowy effect, while bold, contrasting colors will produce a dynamic color pop style, accentuating the architecture of this geometric pattern. So as a result, I have chosen 3 different groups of yarn. We also have more machita coming in. So this is the Fiber Fest shawl a la brioche. Holly will not be doing it. You know she's not a brioche. I can't figure it out. So the colors I chose were, these are all machita by Malabrigo. I think they are beautiful and complementary and somewhat subtle with the magenta pop. All of these are $25 a piece. So I like those 3 colors. I think they're awesome. I also chose these in machita. This obviously would be my choice, which is the carrot, the ochre, and the pine. Oh no, Fiona. Sorry, this one's called Fiona. But gorgeous. Let me get that tag out of the way. There we go. That, woo! Love, love, love that one. And this one, I have 2 Heritage and a La Jolla. So I love this La Jolla. It's March's color for in 2024. It's $36. But look at all the colors in here. And I chose a Heritage Peach and a Heritage Purple to go with. And I think it would work spectacularly. This would be a color pop for sure. Just some suggestions, so don't forget. Starting on May 24th, that is not this week, but it is the following week, right? She wants to have a crowd, so there you go. Brioche Fiber Fest shawl by Stephen West. Whew. Well, the rain seems to be subsiding right this minute, but anyway, kind of crazy. I did get my hair done, but this morning, and it looked more like me. However, I've been out in the rain, so oh well. Stuff happens, right? And I can't find my name tag, so I hope you know I'm Holly, because I don't know what I did with it. It's in a pocket somewhere. All right, I think that's all that I have for you today. Tomorrow is Wednesday. We're open tomorrow night from 5 to 7. Join us for social knitting, a little wine, lots of conversation. It'll be fun. It always is. All right, I think that's all I've got. I'll see you tomorrow.